Hello dear subscribers, Delta. So how to fix this issue? So here you can see it when DLL file not found or this one file not found. So how you can also fix it? So for fixing that, for fixing this one, you just need to install Visual C++. So as for second one, you just need to install DirectX. So after you will install it, I hope that it will help you to finish this error, to fix this error. So I will show to you what applications you just need to install. Let's just open control panel. Here you just need to open programs and features, and here you can also find Microsoft Visual C. Here you can see. So this one you just need to install it and just try to install DirectX. So hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.